Okay, so hello everyone, and how you doing so far? Very good job, right? So very good, well done everyone. That you progressed to is a good marks and a good results that you can do it well, and especially you are able to complete every task related to what you have learned so far, right? Okay, so our unit 4 has we end up by yesterday. So today we are going to continue our lessons in the next unit, unit 5. That our unit 5 on Thursday is, okay, what a vacation. So A1, can you tell me what does it mean vacation? Sure, right? Vacation is likely the break time or the vacation or the break time that you are getting from school, like 2 months, 3 months, or 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, like that, right? So this is your holiday times that you are able to do something else without going to school. So this is what we call vacation. However, in here, they are asking you one question is that what makes a great vacation? So in here, A1, I would like you to answer me the question one by one, that what makes you a great vacation. Okay, so this question want to know from your idea that which vacation or which point that is talking that vacation is a great point, a great one. Okay, right. Okay, so don't waste the time. A1, I would like you to open your books on page, what page is it, A1? Very good job, right, on page 54. So on page 54 today, we are going to study into 2 sections. So the first section is section A. Section A, look and listen. So A1, when you open a book, I believe that you might see the picture in the book already, right? And this picture, you are going to have a listening later on according to the picture. But before you listen, I hope that you are going to do the practice with your understanding, or give me the sentences that you think that what is the picture focusing about. Okay, right. So A1, according to this, I would like you not wasting any time. So A1, let's start your listening.
A. Look and listen. I'm really excited about our vacation, Mom.
I am too. We need to decide where to go first.
I want to stay at a resort.
Yes, I've heard that resorts can be comfortable.
Staying at a resort is more comfortable than staying at a campsite, right?
Yes, I think so.
How will we get there?
We can fly in a jet.
That sounds fun. Then how will we travel once we get there?
I think we can take public transportation or take a cab.
I think that taking public transportation is more enjoyable than taking a cab, because we can see the town.
Very good job, right? So after you finish your listening, what do you think that is going to be talking about in the picture? Yes, so in here it is talking about a receptionist or a teacher that is guiding to a baby or boy, okay, that is going to be a holiday times or vacation time, and immediately guide them about where should they go and which place is fun for them, like that. Okay, so in here focusing that about the school that provide any idea, they give any idea to students or to the parents in order to get known which place is going to be available for the kid or for the family to go or visit there. Okay, right. So I hope that everyone, you are going to give me sentences about this picture after you finish listening to the audio. Okay, right. So everyone, today we are also going to learn in section B, but in section B we learn today, we are going to learn about vocabularies only. So everyone, you will understand clearly about the definition of each word, and especially you are going to get 8 more vocabularies from our learning. Okay, so totally from unit 1 you get 16 vocabularies, unit 2 16, unit 3 16, unit 4 16, and right now unit 5 you get 8 word first, and then next time you are going to get 8 word more, so it will be consisting with 16 words also, right? And I believe that everyone really remember everything well after you have learned every video. Okay, good. So right now everyone, let's look at the board altogether. I am going to explain you one by one according to words, okay, that is going to give you with the word or with the word functions and also the definition of each word. Okay, enjoyable. It functions as an adjective, giving pleasure. So giving pleasure means that you are going to be happy with your enjoyable time. You are going to have time to be happy. Okay. Okay, comfortable. Adjective, feeling physically relaxed in a pleasant way. So in here, focusing that you are having time to be relaxed with your family, or you are having time to be relaxed yourself, right? Okay. Ride a ferry. It is a fractional verb to take a boat. So in here, it means they're talking about ride a ferry. It means you are going to try like Titanic, like a boat on the river. So this is one. We focus on ride a ferry. Fly in a jet. So function of fractional verbs. It means to take a trip by plane. Okay. Likely you want to visit, or you want to have a trip to another country. Likely you want to have a trip to Singapore. You want to have a trip to you can say to USA, to London, etc. that you want to go. So you are going to fly in a jet. Okay. Take public transportation. To take buses or subway, etc. So in our country, we have public transportation as yes, a buses, right? So you can take a bus for your public transportation. That you want to go anywhere, you have to find the bus number. Take a cab. It functions as a fractional verb to be driven in a car. So in here, focusing about a car or taxis that can be provided in one journey. Likely you are ordering the car to go to somewhere else, right? Ordering a taxi to go to somewhere else. So these taxis, they are responsible only you yourself to go any places that you want to go. Okay, stay at a campsite. See, it is a fractional verb to set up a tent for camping. So in here, it is like you have a tent. You are going to sleep on the beach, okay, with your family or with someone else that you want to go, like with your brother, with your sister, etc. Okay, so in here you can stay at a campsite. You are going to prepare a tent for your very good, right, for your camping. Okay, stay in a resort. So the difference between staying at a campsite and staying in a resort is in here we are staying in a hotel, but in here we are staying on the beach, okay, or we are staying in the forest. So at the campsite can be in the forest or on the beach, but in the hotel you are going to have a house or a hotel to stay. Okay, right. So everyone, according to today, I am going to end up this lesson today. However, everything will be more and more by the next video as well. Okay, so everyone, I will say goodbye and see you in the second session.